Hey guys, it's Tuesday, May 5th. I hope you had a good, long 4-day weekend. Today you have another workshop day for your portfolio project. Some of you had questions about the portfolio project, and you put those on your form, which was great. I put all of the questions together and put the answers here for you. So if you had a question or you have questions, you might want to go through and look at this so that you can get your questions answered. Otherwise, if you have questions about everything that we're doing, I introduced this unit on Tuesday, April 14th. So if you go back to that slide and watch this video, it goes through the entire project and all the requirements for it and everything that you need. Otherwise, if you have questions but you don't want to watch that whole entire video, the assignment, rubric, everything is on this document here. It's the first thing in our independent reading folder. So look through there if you're stuck, if you have some questions. Otherwise, go through and watch that video from the 14th. Today, you guys have another workshop day. So what you need to do is pick what you're going to work on. You can work on your research. You can work on your narrative writing. Remember, for research, you need 15 research note cards from 3 different sources, and you need to have a bibliography. Once you're done with that, you can turn it in because today your first draft of whatever you've been working on is due by midnight. So you can turn it in here. If you've been working on your narrative, you need 1 to 2 pages with dialogue in it. And then you can turn your document in there. If you have any questions, please let me know so that we can get them answered. Remember, draft 1 is due tonight at midnight. Your book needs to be done being read by May 8th at midnight. And rough draft number 2, so either your research or your narrative, needs to be done by May 8th at midnight as well. If you have questions, please let me know. If you would like to conference today, I have office hours again from 9 to 10 and then from 2 to 3. So if you want to sign up, if you want to talk to me, if you have questions, if you're stuck, if you are falling apart, let me know so that we can talk and get all of your questions answered. Have a great day.